First oil change, 2021 Sienna. It has 5,700 miles on it, and you're really going to be using 0W16. So we're gonna unscrew the oil filter and just leave like that. The oil is going to be used some mobile 0W16 also. It says for hybrid 2. It is what we need. The oil drain pan, original Toyota oil filter. It's around $7. The oil filter range. The filter itself is too small. It's only one oil filter range we can fit this filter. 3/8 range extension and the screwdriver, some gloves and funnel. Undercar on the center to the right side we have a little cover handle with 4 bolts. You can use a screwdriver or I believe it's 10mm to unscrew it. Alright, after we unscrew this cover off, we have the oil pan and the oil drain plug over there, and the filter itself is over here. So what we're gonna do, by the way, I need the wrench for the oil drain plug. So first we're gonna do is drain the oil, then unscrew the oil filter. Right. Oil is down. If you have enough time, allow to drain it as fast as possible. Then I'm gonna replace the little seal. It's coming to the drain plug. It's like a washer. Probably I'm gonna stay with the same seal for next 4,000 miles. When it stops dripping, just put back the drain plug and we can start to unscrew the oil filter. Alright, it's still draining, but I'm adjust my drain pan and I'm gonna to remove the oil filter. That is moving. I just tight a little bit, then the oil comes from the oil filter and it starts draining. I can unscrew the filter. If you don't want to make a mess with oil, just take your time. And we have more oil on the filter itself. Original Toyota filter. This comes with car. It's made in China. The filter I bought from dealer. It's the same kind of filter, but again, it's made in Thailand. The filter is pretty lubricated. This seal around is already lubricated. So what I'm gonna do now, the filter is cruising to the engine horizontal position. So technically you cannot refill with oil because it's gonna be spilled out. If filter is going this way to the engine, you can fill up the filter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill with oil with just a little bit, probably 1/4 of filled or less. Alright, it's enough to put the plug back. .14mm socket. Not too tight. Clean the area to see if it has any leak after, and I'm gonna be ready to put the oil filter back. So now I want to feed the filter in hand too. Where is it? It's right here. Just hand tight. For better grip, you can use some rods. And again, clean the area. There's no leaks. When we fill the with oil and start the engine, we will come back and see if it has any leaks. Right, I'm at around 4 3/4. See what level is it. It's hard to see, but level is right there. This is the top point, this is the minimum, level is right there. So I'm gonna start the engine, check for leaks, then go in from the ramp on the flat surface and check the oil level again. Alright, I'm under the car. Because it's a hybrid vehicle, it's ready to go, but the engine is not running yet. So I leave the Let's say the ignition on, engine on, and I have to wait until the engine is started. And then I can check for leaks. And yeah, we have to put the cover back. It's probably take a few minutes. Alright, the engine was running for a few minutes, there was no leaks, and I'm ready to put the cover back. Again, the oil level is almost full, so I'm gonna add a little bit oil, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment.